Okay, in my previous video, I explained to you about math, where I told you this is distribution bar, this is main bar. Same thing is applicable to beam. Here is distribution bar in beam, then down is the main bar. And the function of distribution bar is to carry the weight on top of the concrete, this concrete cover. It will carry the weight to the main bar. So, and the main bar will carry the weight to the columns. Then the column will distribute the load to the foundation. This is how it works. Follow me for more updates. Thank you.